am Dr. Ashrita Alva. I am an oculoplasty and oncology specialist at Center for Sight, Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. So a lot of patients come to us saying their eye looks bigger, or doctor, someone tells that we are continuously staring at them. And this is something that we call as proptosis or exophthalmos. It is basically not a disease but a sign of suggesting that something is there behind your eye and thus making your eye protrude out. So the eye itself is like a socket where there's an orbit and it comprises of muscles, nerves, fat and the optic nerve. And when there can be something as simple as an inflammation or a benign lesion or something more sinister and dangerous like a large tumor, it pushes this eyeball front, thus causing the proptosis. The most common causes in this among children can be something like an infection like orbital cellulitis, preseptal cellulitis, something more benign or more malignant like a lymphoma, rhabdomyosarcomas, orbital retinoblastomas. And in adults, this may present with vascular malformations, fistulas, or lymphomas, or the most common cause that a lot of you must have heard of is the thyroid eye disease. Just giving you a few insights on the thyroid eye disease. Basically, it's an autoimmune condition where your own body starts to release certain enzymes and hormones which causes increase in the swelling of the fat and the soft tissue around it. Thus, the eyeball starts protruding out. Patients come to us with symptoms of, doctor, my eye is looking really big, I have this staring appearance, or I'm not able to move my eyes around too much and that's why there's double vision. Some simple symptoms like watering, redness, or a gritty sensation in your eye or inability to blink your eyes too much. So if you are presenting or having such symptoms, please visit your oculoplasty specialist because they can have something called as a thyroid eye disease. Good part about this is the treatment offers such easy ways to bring down the disease significantly. Something which can affect your functionality, the way you look and the way you live can be brought down by medical therapies or something as simple for a mild thyroid eye disease like eye drops or glasses to protect your eye can also help. In moderate to severe conditions, we have injections like intravenous corticosteroids, immunomodulators, and at our site, we also have biologics like rituximab, teprotumumab, which is highly efficient in moderate to severe condition. Once the disease itself is controlled and we go on to a rehabilitative phase, we try to bring the appearance back to normal. We start to address by doing the decompression surgery where the eye is brought down to its socket. Then we go ahead to do the squint surgery where we bring the eye alignment back to normal, and finally the eyelid correction so that your eyelid retracted appearance comes down to normal. So if you are facing any of these symptoms or if any of your dear ones are appearing to have with big bulgy eyes, then do visit your nearest oculoplasty specialist to get the treatment at the earliest because a wide variety of options, both medical and surgical treatments are available, but the best treatment can be provided only when you come to us at the early stage. Thank you.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.